Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Esther at Stampin' Star Creations with the Christmas Stampathon 2022. This month's challenge we are following a sketch which I'll add on into the video. And today I'll be using Ringed in Nature with the matching die set. I've done a lot of the fussy cutting and die cutting already, so this is me just making up the card and following along with the sketch to see what we can do to make it fairly close, to use it as inspiration and to just add my own spin on it. I've gone for this dainty leaf pattern and I'm just stamping, doing second generation stamping to create that lovely depth of colour onto my card. I'm just stamping these all in a row down one side. I'm using the matching embossing folder. Now this has still probably got a bit of ink left over from when I inked it up before, so I'm just taking a bit of a risk, and thankfully the risk paid off. So some of that ink has transferred onto the card and leaving me this lovely outline of the rings. I've gone ahead already and stamped out this ring and die cut it, and there's even a die to cut out the little ring indents in the middle. Using my blending brush, I'm just adding some colour to make it stand out as a piece of wood. Using my early espresso as a palette and just rubbing the ink from the lid onto my brush and then transferring it onto my image. The poinsettia doesn't come with a die, but I went ahead and stamped that in real red and I just fussy cut that out. And then I'm just placing my leaves to see where they go. If you remember on the sketch, there's some more leaves that come out to the right hand side. So rather than stamping these, I decided to use the die cuts. There are also leaves that go around the edge of the circle shape, so I'm just adding these in, again using the dies to create that impression of the leaves going around the edge as well. So just popping these down and gluing everything down, using the multi-purpose liquid glue to help me stick. It's great glue for being able to move things around, or if you need a bit of wiggle room. So just bringing in my piece there with the dimensions, and then that's going to go on top of the leaves. These are the rather cute toadstools, and they come with these matching little stalks, as you can see. The toadstools have this cute indent in them which gets embossed as you run them through the die cut machine, and you've got stalks going in each direction as well. I'm going to slightly overlap these just for a bit of interest, and these are those two other bits that were on the sketch. And then placing it on some real red cardstock, it really helps the whole card to pop on that red and make it look really Christmassy. I'm turning the card over and snipping off any overhang because these will just get squashed in an envelope. So don't be scared, just cut off the ends and it just looks as if it's the end of the design. I've got here some red rhinestones and I'm just figuring out where to place them. And I thought, oh, if I place them on these little branches, then they'll look like berries along the top, and it really helped to bring all that red together. And there's my card for today. Short and sweet, but all the hard work was done beforehand. Please do join us over on Facebook if you're on there for the Christmas Stampathon 2020. We set challenges every 25th of the month for 10 months. So please do share your projects on there. If you're not already a subscriber, then I'd love you to be one. Please give me a thumbs up for the video. Take care and have a good day.